If you're like me, you always have a bag of frozen spinach at the back of your freezer, which is making you feel guilty for neglecting its existence for months. Why not use it for a cake? To start, defrost the spinach and squeeze out as much water as you can. To the spinach, add fat-free yogurt and season to taste. Salt, pepper, maybe some garlic powder. Stir that very well together. This cake is made with the same base as the one from the protein pizza video. Click the link in the corner to see how to make flourless pizza crust. After that's done, cut them with a cake ring to match the size exactly. To assemble the cake, put a bottom cake layer inside the ring. Over that, put half of the spinach mix and spread it evenly. Next, put down a layer of ham and repeat each layer one more time. Spread fat-free yogurt over the last layer of ham. Put the cake in the fridge while you prepare some decorations. I used my favorite kitchen tool, the most useless but also most fun spiralizer. I spiralized zucchini and daikon radish and shredded some cheese. Remove the cake form and peel off the acetate strip carefully. After that, all that needs to be done is to decorate the cake. If you like the recipe, why not subscribe so you don't miss future uploads? Thanks for watching!